All right. At a certain coffee shop, all the customers buy a cup of coffee. Some also...
Yes.
What?
No, we didn't do it.
We skipped it.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, mine's complete. I drew hearts on mine.
Some also buy a donut. The shop owner believes that the number of cups he sells each day is normally distributed with a mean of 320 cups and a standard deviation of 20 cups. He also believes that the number of donuts he sells each day is independent of the coffee sales and is normally distributed with a mean of 150 donuts and a standard deviation of 12.
What? I would get a donut if I got coffee because you don't want to put my donut in the coffee. Therefore, it's not independent.
Ew.
I have never dunked a donut.
Me neither. No.
I've gone to Dunkin' Donuts, but I've never dunked a donut.
Me neither, but I want to.
No desire to.
I actually don't even like donuts, to be honest. They're really sweet.
Oh my Kenny. Ugh. He's like, it's too sweet. I'm like,
Yeah,
get
I'm one of those
over it. All right. The shop is open every day but Sunday. Assuming day-to-day sales are independent. This is like the Chick-fil-A of donut shops. What's the probability he'll sell over 2,000 cups of coffee in a week? So, starting.
I look at this and it's like I thought I knew how to do it and I just don't.
Okay. Mean and standard deviation.
What the heck is the little... Oh, never mind. It's the weird shape.
For coffee
It looks like a 6.
and donuts.
Whenever I do it, you don't make it look like a 6, but I don't know how to make it.
No, you should demonstrate how to draw that real fast.
Nope.
Look, watch. Watch.
Okay, that's just too cool for me.
It's basically like a 6 sideways.
Yeah, mine totally looks like that.
All right. Coffee. Mean is 320 with a standard deviation of 20. Donuts is 150 with a standard deviation of 12. And this is per day.
How do you spell donut?
One.
Okay, it's D-O-N-U-T, but I guess this place, okay, it can be either way.
Oh.
It can be like dough nut or it can be like donut.
Okay. Wait.
Like D-O-U-G-H-N-U-T or it can be D-O-N-U-T.
Like dough. Like dough.
It's like
I
D-O-U-G-H.
change which way I spell it.
I just don't like the long way. There's
I just
no
don't
reason
spell it.
for it.
I don't.
Donut. Dough.
I don't know. It just makes sense because it's like.
Like
No,
if you
it's
go to
not.
Krispy Kreme or you go to like Dunkin', they don't put D-O-U-G-H-N-U-T on their sign.
You know, maybe
They put donut.
dough, nut, or dough.
I hope Maddie enjoys this when she watches it. Okay, well you can choose your favorite spelling.
Donut.
Okay, so we want to know about the status of a week. So the mean of coffee for a week would be 320. They're only open 6 days, so times 6, which is 1,920 cups.
That is way too much coffee.
So they don't get to
It's not for
2,000
one
cups.
person.
No.
That's the mean.
Um,
Standard deviation is the square root of 20 squared times 6, which is going to end up being 48.9 cups.
I don't think we have enough room to do the rest of this one.
It's this part that I understand.
Is it 20 squared?
You draw the thingy.
Yeah.
I wrote way too big.
So I want to know the chance that we get to 2,000 or above or over 2,000. So I want this little
No, this part is the hard part.
area right here.
Okay.
So you.
So I don't understand how this picture.
So is it like
Helps me.
2,000 or
Because you want to know that you want more than 2,000.
1920 minus 2,000?
Well, so we can do this. We can find the z-score, or we can throw it back to normal CDF.
Oh, what's easier?
This one.
Oh, I'm gonna do that one.
So normal CDF starting at 2,000,
That's on the calculator, right?
going out to 1 times 10 to the 99th.
Oh.
or on your calculator, be written 1E99. With a mean of 1920 and a standard deviation of 48.9.
So isn't that thing where you want your max? Wait, your minimum is the 2,000, right?
Yeah.
Then the maximum is the weird, really high, ridiculous number.
Yes.
How do you get to normal CDF again?
Second stat. I don't know.
Second vars.
Second bars. It's close to second stat.
Hmm.
It's like in the same
Melcher's trying his best. I appreciate the trying. Oh, that's upside down. Okay. Second.
So the lower's 2,000.
Boom.
Wait. What is that number?
1 times 10 to the 99. Yep.
Hey, Melcher, your hair's all messed up.
No, I don't.
Okay.
Boom, boom, boom,
Just letting you know.
boom, boom, boom.
No, I did it on purpose.
Oh, okay.
I can't make it go to the 99.
You just.
Paste.
It's second.
Did you get point?
Second comma.
0, 5 zeros,
Look above
9
the
2,
seven.
0
That's
6,
what I
366.
Yes.
Yes,
It'll be-
bro.
put like a
Wait, what'd you say?
little capital.
0.050. So
Oh, I need
0.51.
10 then, do I?
No, just do one. Second. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I actually understood that. That's not, I understand it, but I really did write the wrong answer. Whoa.
So I thought you said 1.05. That's why I was confused.
Oh. Alas, that is not it.
All right. So, if he makes a profit of 50 cents on each cup of coffee and 40 cents on each donut, can he reasonably expect to have a day's profit of over $300?
Wait, hold on.
No.
Wait. His mean 320 times 50 cents. What? How do I know if he's making profit? You understand what I
He
mean?
makes 50 cents on every cup.
Okay.
Well, because we have to go through the stats process to get there.
I couldn't just multiply it. Yo, I think.
No,
Oh,
doesn't work that way.
okay.
All right, so we know he sold 320 coffees. And he makes a profit of 50 cents on each cup. So times 0.5. Donuts makes a profit of 40 cents. So 0.4 times the number of donuts is 150. And then we do the same thing for their standard deviation. So 0.5 times 20 and 0.4 times 12. Now, these come out to be $160 for coffee, $60 for donuts, $10 for coffee standard deviation, and $4.80 for donut standard deviation. So how much profit should he expect to make each day on the coffee and donuts on average? What?
I just added all the values.
I was just gonna say.
I just want the mean value.
I was gonna say 170. Wait, no. What is
220.
there?
So the mean is going to be 160 plus 60, which is going to be $220.
Yeah. Oh man, that's not. Oh, and then you gotta do the thingy where you find the variance and such, right?
So then to get standard deviation, I'm going to do the square root of the amount of money for coffee squared plus the amount of money for donuts squared. So 10 squared plus 480 squared equals
Oh, you're really speedy. Got those math teacher skills. I feel like math teachers write significantly faster than like English and science, just anyone. Okay.
8 times 8 is 64. So that's like 24.4.
Well, you gotta take the square root of it.
11.1.
It's money.
0. Wait. 11.19. 0. 1.
0,
0.
9.
Yeah.
There you go. So then,
That was hard for me.
I couldn't do the rest. I got math.
okay, again, the mean is 220. We want 300.
No, I would like it if you would just not be bad. There we go. Okay.
So, we're gonna try this normal CDF of 300 to that with a mean of 220 and a standard deviation of 11.09.
Oh no! Oh. It was on the eraser, and then I erased it.
Just hit the undo button.
Yeah. I see that. I would have gone there. And I mean, no, it wouldn't have happened. Okay. Wait. Normal. I'm really behind, not gonna lie. Spending too much time on my little picture.
I don't know how to do that part.
Huh?
300.
I don't know how to do that part.
Just put it in your calculator.
No, I know that, but I'm saying, like, I don't really know how to.
How to get there?
Yeah.
Like how to fill this in? Is that what you're asking?
Yeah.
So the first thing it's always going to ask is your lower bound. So since we're going, our lower bound is 300. We want anything above $300 for profit. So we start with 300. This number is just the number that they'll always use to give you some really, really big number. And then if you were, let's say it was flipped and we wanted to do the lower bound, like we wanted the left side, we would do the lower bound of negative 1 times 10 to the 99th and then put in whatever we're trying to get to get like the less than.
No way mine's right.
And then the mean and the standard deviation.
2.74?
Yeah.
E to the negative 13.
2.74 is what I got.
E to the negative 13.
Yeah. That's
Bingo.
B to the negative 13. What about
Yeah.
you?
You're just not reading your calculator all the way.
Oh, yeah, I didn't do that.
So what is that about equal to?
Really, really tiny number.
Meaning
0.
Nothing.
0. Not probable. Can't happen. Sucks. That sucks.
approximately equal to 0. So it is very unlikely to make a profit over $300.
Ooh.
How do you know what to do to
What-
get there?
What do you mean?
Like, how do you just know, like,
Just go ahead
you need...
I'm just gotta know.
How do you know... I don't know how to explain this. How do you know what numbers to use? Like, how did you
I was
know...
given numbers. That's what I underlined. And then it told me that I wanted to know about money.
Money, money.
The first one had nothing to do with it, though, right? The first question?
Right. The second question added the money in the question when I needed it.
Okay.
So then with the next one, pink. What's the probability that on any just let me start that over. What's the probability that on any given day he'll sell a donut to more than half of his coffee customers?
2%.
You might be close.
Wow.
So, donut greater than 0.5 of coffee.
How do you get 0.5 of coffee?
Because it says half of coffee. Half of coffee customers.
Okay, that makes sense.
So then subtract it over. So D minus 0.5 C is greater than 0.
Abra? Question mark? Okay.
So do you add the 0.5 C to, I don't know.
Subtract it.
So this is the formula we're using. So the mean is the average donuts, which is 150, minus 0.5 times the average coffee, which is 320, which is equal to
150, which is the donut, minus 0.5 of coffee. The coffee is 320 because that's the mean, right? For the day. Okay.
Negative 10?
Wait a minute.
16.
Wait.
Yeah, because it equals 16.
It's half of 320 is
16 times.
3.
1, 6.
Yeah, 16 times.
so that's negative 10.
Circle.
Standard deviation.
Oh,
It's going to be the square root of the standard deviation of donuts. So 12 squared minus 0.5
Okay.
times standard deviation of coffee is 20 squared is approximately equal to
Wow, this one's tripping my brain up.
Why is it times 20?
because that's the standard deviation for coffee.
Oops.
Bless you.
Thank you. Thank you. No, I'm good.
Melcher, you cold back there?
I have it open your ears. So your ears are
You are kind of sitting under a vent, so.
Tell me error.
But so are you.
6.63.
Mine's aimed that way though.
6.63.
It's not aimed this way.
6.63.
I don't know which way it's aimed at.
It's more like right over me.
Why does mine keep telling me error?
Are you?
Mine keeps. I cannot get mine to not tell me error.
Because it ends up like
Hold on.
What is that? 144 minus 100? So 44 is square root of
0.5.
44.
It's 0.5
What?
times 20.
Well, hold on. I think I have the wrong number on my paper, so I'm checking
Ten
something.
squared.
Yeah, that's what I thought you were talking about, like just the French.
Minus
12
that.
squared is 144 minus 100 equals 44.
Second square, second answer.
I don't know.
Huh.
Five,
Interesting.
Did yours tell you error?
six,
No.
7,
Mine's telling me error.
That's what you said, Taylor?
Yeah.
Okay.
6.5.
I have it something very wrong on my paper. That's why I was like, wait a second.
No, mine. I got no.
Okay, so then
It was
picture,
How do you know if you have to draw a picture?
just draw the picture.
because I want to know if I got donuts to more than half of the coffee.
Meow. Oh, that's bad. Look
So
at
the
that.
mean is negative 10.
How do you draw?
You just be better.
Doesn't look right.
The mean is
My pencil hasn't been plugged in
negative 10, right?
very much.
The mean is negative 10.
Oh.
Then we want donuts to more than half the coffee customers. That's what this is showing us. So we want it to be greater than 0. So I want that area over there.
Okay.
So then, take a guess.
So is it 0,
I'm being norm.
1 times 10 to the
What?
negative 10
Or is it normal CDF still?
Normal CDF.
Okay, when do you use the INV norm?
Don't. It's not for this chapter.
Yeah. Let's go.
I think I heard everything you said.
So 0 is the lower.
Well, what's this point? Oh, that's our standard deviation. Yeah, okay. Second. Okay. It is kind of chilly in here.
No, it's straight cold.
0.065 or 66, I guess.
Yeah, see, clearly something is wrong on my paper. I don't know what I was doing, but my paper's got all kinds of wrong numbers on it.
Oh.
We're gonna get rid of that, and we're gonna get rid of that, we're gonna get rid of that. The answer, normal, CD.
Did you confuse your paper?
Apparently, 1E99, -10, 6.63. Well, it probably didn't help that my standard deviation was off by like 10.
Oh. Yeah, that probably hindered it a little bit.
So, you know, that probably kind of sort of, made a
Super
difference.
sleepy. Why'd you highlight it?
I wasn't trying to.
Oh, I see. I thought there was a cool reason for that.
Oh, no, nothing exciting. Okay.
0.66 probability.